This is one of a series of short videos on Penn Inn in Newton Abbot. This one covers the road ahead route from Milber to Newton Abbot. Now that's the second exit, and we're going to be using the right hand lane for this. From this direction, the signs and the road markings are terrible, so you do need to know where you're going on the other side of the roundabout to position correctly here. So we do want to be in the right hand lane as if we were going towards the industrial estate where the test centre is, or perhaps going up towards the station and town centre areas. So the left hand lane also goes ahead. It's really important as we deal with this roundabout that we're aware of that and we keep an eye on that. That bus may cause a problem for us as we come through the traffic lights. Depends if we catch them up. So we do need to watch out for those yellow boxes. We've got quite a large one coming up just ahead of the traffic lights here. So the reason we need to be aware of that bus is the lane under the bridge, the left lane, gets very narrow. So there is no way that that bus is going to stay within that lane. Now you do need to be aware it's not just buses that cross the line. Obviously large vehicles are not going to fit, but a lot of smaller vehicles, cars, vans, just don't stay within that lane. Perhaps they're not aware of it, or they're not being careful enough, but they should be keeping well over to the left. But we need to be mindful of the fact that in the bus's case they can't, and in many other cases they don't. So keep a check on those mirrors, particularly on the left, and we're just going to follow that white line to our left coming up here. You can see we've given that bus plenty of space there. So as we leave the roundabout, the lane that we're in is going to split, and then we need to choose whether we want the centre lane for the station and town or whether we want the right hand lane for the industrial estate. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos, and if you like them, subscribe.